Have you ever wondered what it takes to succeed in the world of entrepreneurship? Richard from STR University has some answers. In the bustling realm of entrepreneurship, Richard's wisdom is a beacon of clarity. He often emphasizes key themes in his videos, each one a stepping stone on the path to success. Let's break them down. First, he underscores the importance of perseverance. In the face of adversity, one must keep pressing on. The road may be rocky, but resilience and tenacity can lead to extraordinary places. Then, there's the value of learning from failures. Richard believes that every setback is a setup for a comeback, a lesson to be learned, a chance to grow. Next up is the significance of having a clear vision. Without a destination in mind, how do we chart our course? Richard encourages entrepreneurs to define their goals and pursue them relentlessly. Lastly, Richard extols the power of continuous learning and promotes a mindset of curiosity. He asserts that knowledge is an entrepreneur's greatest asset. Richard's teachings aren't just for entrepreneurs, they're for anyone who wants to achieve success in any aspect of their life. Now that we know what Richard teaches, how can we apply these lessons to our own lives? Let's start by breaking down Richard's teachings into tangible steps. First off, cultivating perseverance. It's about fostering a never-give-up attitude, even when the going gets tough. Think about setting small, achievable goals for yourself. Each time you reach a goal, you're not only inching closer to your ultimate aim, but you're also building that muscle of persistence. Next, learning from failures. It's not enough to just experience failure. One must take it as a learning opportunity. The next time you face a setback, don't shy away from it. Instead, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Analyze your actions, understand where you went wrong, and make a conscious effort to avoid repeating those mistakes. Finally, establishing a clear vision. This is about knowing where you want to go and what you want to achieve. Take some time to visualize your end goal. Write it down, create a vision board. Do whatever it takes to make your vision clear and tangible. Incorporating these steps into your daily routine may seem daunting at first, but remember, change is a process, not an event. It all starts with a single step. Remember, the application of these lessons is what truly matters. As Richard often says, knowledge without action is meaningless. Interested in learning more from Richard? Dive into the vast ocean of knowledge that is STR University. Every subscription opens up a world of insight, a community committed to learning and growing together. With every video, Richard unravels layers of wisdom, guiding you on a path to success. It's not just about watching videos, it's about embarking on a journey of self-improvement and entrepreneurial growth. Don't miss out on the wisdom that Richard has to offer. Subscribe to STR University today and take the first step towards your journey to success.